In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate rank in Microsoft Excel. We're going to create a formula that shows the position of each student score in a list and then copy that formula all the way down so every score gets a rank automatically. This is a very useful technique when you want to compare values and quickly see which score is highest, second highest, and so on. To begin, go to cell C2. This is where we'll build the rank formula for the first score in the list. Once the formula is working here, we'll be able to copy it down to the bottom of the column and apply it to the rest of the data. In cell C2, start by typing an equal sign, then type rank, followed by an opening bracket. Excel will now expect the first argument, which is the number you want to rank. In this case, we want to rank the score from the same row, so click on cell B2. That tells Excel which value to evaluate. Next, type a comma. Now we need to tell Excel what group of numbers this score should be compared against. To do that, select the full range of scores, starting from B2 and dragging down to B11. This range gives Excel the complete list it needs in order to determine where the score in B2 stands relative to the others. Now here's an important part. Since we're planning to copy this formula down through the rest of the rows, we want Excel to keep comparing each score to the exact same range, B2 through B11. We do not want that comparison range to shift as the formula moves downward. To lock that range in place, make sure your cursor is at the end of the selected reference and press the F4 key. This changes the range into an absolute reference, which means it stays fixed when copied. That small step is essential for getting accurate rankings throughout the list. After that, type a closing bracket and press Enter. Excel will return the rank for the score in B2. At this point, the formula is ready and you can copy it down to the rest of the rows in the list. As it fills downward, each row will calculate its own rank while still comparing against the same full score range. This makes the process fast, consistent, and much easier than ranking each value manually. And that's how to calculate rank in Microsoft Excel.